Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and it's my birthday vlog. I had filmed the intro but I misplaced the clip, or the clip got deleted by mistake, I think so. So I'm filming the intro right now. So it's my birthday vlog which you are most awaited for. A lot of you guys have been DMing me for the birthday vlog, but I was waiting for some things to come. Like, the vlog isn't that big, and so I thought I would include few gifts, the two biggest gifts that I got for my birthday. So watch till end to see what gifts did I receive for my birthday, and yeah, enjoy the vlog. I have made some predictions. In the next clip you can see, and you see the vlog and enjoy. So it's 2 hours later. As I said, I will talk to you guys. I am here to make some predictions about my birthday, and the predictions are like, I am getting a gut feeling that Nissim, my best friend, might not be tomorrow, but she is there day after, yes, tomorrow, like 27 she is there. ऐसे मेरे को लग रहा है, I don't know why, but मेरे को लग रहा है. And she's lying to me that she is coming back on 1st March. By the way, if you don't know, she is out of state. She's in Kerala for vacation, and she's saying that she'll come by 1st March, but I don't believe that. I think she's coming day after tomorrow. And my sister, she said she's not coming, but I don't think so. She said she's coming tomorrow, but she's not coming today. She was supposed to come today for my birthday, रात को 12 बजे के लिए, but she said she is not coming. But I am getting gut feeling that she is coming. And yeah, I don't know what's the surprise and thing. I guess these are the two predictions that I have, and no other predictions. I don't know. Let's see क्या होता है. And I colored my hair, just so you know, but you can't see it over here, but you can see it in real life. Yeah, that's the update that I wanted to talk to you all. See you. Bye. Hey guys, it's 45 minutes for my birthday. As I predicted, my sister is here. As I predicted, she's here. And now we are having a dance party until 12, and we are gonna dance and revive our old memories, because we used to dance a lot back then when we were children. And we are going to dance. And we are gonna dance on the same tracks as we used to dance. I won't show that because हम बहुत अजीब नाचते हैं. I'm a good dancer, but still हम बहुत अजीब डांसेंगे अभी. I see you at 12 जब मैं खुद को विश करने आऊँगी. Happy birthday to myself. अभी विश कर ले. Happy birthday. Okay, now I'm getting. It's my birthday day, and my friends are helping me straighten my hair. I have done my makeup. I have worn my outfit. I'm going out for lunch with my sister. She's assistant and she's the owner. So we are straightening my hair. It's almost done, and then me and my sister will go and have lunch. And they have warned me not to come home until they call me. So I have to go out somewhere.
Compulsory. Isha not allowed at her home.
Her house. At her house.
Home. गाने वाले लगा.
Guys, me and my sister have came here in the mall to have lunch. We are in the garden taking some photos, pictures for my birthday. अच्छा है तो I will post, नहीं तो I won't. And here's my sister. Here's my sister. Say hi. You have seen her before also. She's here again also, and she will be there full day also. So we'll have some lunch. My friend, no, me and my sister will have lunch. Then my friend will come. Because मेरे को कंपनी चाहिए 6 बजे तक, तो आई हैव कॉल्ड माय फ्रेंड सो दैट आई गेट कंपनी. या लेट्स गो हैव सम लंच.
एवरीवन, आज ईशा का बर्थडे है और हम दोनों उसके घर पे आए हैं उसका घर डेकोरेट करने के लिए. उसके घर पे कोई नहीं है. ईशा को उसके बहन के साथ भेज दिया है घूमने को, और उसकी मम्मी थोड़े टाइम के बाद आ जाएगी. तब तक हम दोनों वो फुगे वगैरह फुला रहे हैं. और ईशा ने बहुत कुछ अच्छे से प्रेडिक्ट किया है मेरे हिसाब से. उसे डाउट है निस्सिम कल आएगी. उसे वैसे डेकोरेशन का भी थोड़ा बहुत आइडिया है, और भी है, मतलब वो बोल रही है.
वीडियो में देख लेना.
हाँ, तो वैसे हम अब काम करेंगे, और बाय बाय. अपडेट्स। अब मैं थोड़े टाइम के लिए बाहर गई थी, तब तक ये फुला रही थी बलून्स और ईशा की मम्मी अब घर पे आ गई है तो वो शायद से हमें हेल्प करेंगे।
नहीं, उनको बलून फुलाना नहीं आता, सब हमें ही फुलाना।
हाँ ठीक है, हम दोनों करेंगे। और
क्या बस
और
फुलाएंगे।
हाँ, और एक अपडेट, ईशा ने ये प्रेडिक्ट नहीं किया होगा कि हम दोनों उस पर प्रैंक करने वाले हैं, जो कि होने वाला है। और वो नहीं डरी तो ये बहुत रोने वाली है, ये उसे रुलाएगी फिर क्योंकि इसने बहुत मेहनत ली उसके लिए। ओके, सो ये कुछ अपडेट्स थे। ठीक है, बाय बाय।
So guys, it's still 5 and I'm still in the mall and I have my another best friend Angi with me and we both have to stay in the mall till 6 because we can't go home. Friends ने बोला है नहीं आने का, जब बुलाएंगे तब आने का। तो मेरे को अंगी के हवाले रखा हुआ है और मेरी बहन भी है, जिससे हाई कर, और मेरी बहन भी है हम लोग के साथ। हाँ अभी मेरे को 6 बजे तक इधर ही रुकने बोला है, बोर हो रहा है। अरे अंगी मेरे लिए गिफ्ट लेके आई है, गिफ्ट लेके आई है। ओके, अपडेट बाद में, बाय।
इट्स द सेकेंड डे और हम दोनों जा रहे हैं अब केक लेने को, और उसके बाद जाना है हमें ओबरॉय मॉल। उधर फिर ईशा की मम्मी एंड ऑल सब लोग आ जाएंगे और फिर उधर सेलिब्रेट करेंगे सब फ्रेंड्स के साथ। तो मिलते हैं थोड़ी देर बाद।
इधर देखो बताओ सब निकाला अरे ठीक है तो वही सामने रहती बस सामने भी फायदा भी काटला of the video that I would show you two of the biggest gifts that I received for my birthday. So here I am showing them. Da, 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 da. I know you can't guess what's inside, but I'll show you. First gift is from my mama. That is my mother's real sister. That is my mother's real brother. That's from him. He gifted me these AirPods. These are the AirPods Pro 1 and I'm super excited to use them, but sadly I have already unboxed them and I am using them, so I'll unbox it once again in front of you all. It comes with a cable wire to charge it and some earbuds as per your ear size. So yo, and these are the earpods and I mean, oh my god. Ow. See these, filal, the battery is low. You can see battery is low because I have been using them non-stop continuously. So this was the most expensive gift that I received for my birthday, and thank you mama if you are watching this. Thank you mommy if you are watching this. Tell this to him that thank you. And the second gift is from my mom, which is actually also a very expensive gift. Are you ready for it? And the gift is, oh my god, I got a OnePlus Nord 5G for my birthday from my mom, and actually vlog pehle aa jata, but I was waiting for this to come and so that I could show you guys. Plus, and it has 256 GB storage. That's the main reason why I bought a new phone in the first place, because I need storage in my phone and good camera quality. So अब अच्छे videos आएंगे. So no worries, I'll just open it for you. Actually I have already opened it and I am using it. So let's open it. I have started using it as I said, so I have some of the features already noted in it. You can see. I will show you. And the phone cover which it came, and the phone cover that came along with it also, it's also okay. I'll reframe it. The phone cover that came along with this is also so pretty. You can see it's transparent, though it's pretty. You can see the matte gloss finish and OnePlus written over here. I'm so excited to use. Okay, start. So excited to use it. Oh my god. I'll show you the skin. It's in the grey color. Actually I wanted the blue one, but यही बहुत मुश्किल से मिला मेरे को. So yeah, it's in the grey color. Yes. Now almost you will see बहुत अच्छा content from this phone and the quality would be so pretty. I'm loving this so much, literally so much. I'll show you the phone in light. अच्छा proper light. Look at that. Oh my god. And you can see the decoration is still there. बस इतना ही बचा है, बाकी सब decoration गिर चुका है. can't wait to use it. So yeah, that was it for my birthday vlog and all the stuff. See you next time in my next video. Hope you guys like it. And this is just for me. The video is just for me to preserve it as a memory and look back few years down the lane. So yeah, see you in the next video. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel below. And sorry for the delay. Hope you guys like it. And bye.